Hello guys, this is the best play to earn game called P2E Mario. The link on this game you will find under my video. And in the previous video I invested on this game $1,000. And now as you can see I have on my balance $2,300. So I decided to invest in the next Mario. So just write here 10 BNB and click open. After I just confirm the transaction, and as you can see transaction immediately confirmed. So now guys, together I invested on this game $3,500. Why every video I invested on this game more and more money? There is easy answer. The balance of the game all the time increasing. And there are no backdoor methods that withdraw funds to a non-investor wallet. That's why the developer cannot steal my money and the deposits will grow a lot of time. After 1 or 2 months the graphic will start falling. But all of this time we will earn money. And this is simple explain why I invested so much money. Also guys, you can easily check how much money this game has on their balance. Now this is $74,000. And if money on this balance becomes less, you and I will see it. And of course after that I will immediately withdraw my money. That's why this is the most safety method how to make money online. Okay guys, now I will withdraw money from this little Mario. As you can see there is hold bonus what I will lose if I withdraw money. That's why I will withdraw money from little Mario. Okay, as you can see now I have on my balance $4. And now I just write here 005 BNB and click withdraw now. After that I confirm the transaction, and as you can see the transaction immediately confirmed. And now I have on my balance $14. So I easily earned $10 in some days. And this is only a little Mario. As you can see on big Mario I already earned 0.43 BNB. And this is $100 only in some days. How much I will earn from this Mario you will see on the next video. Okay guys, if you also want to invest your money on this game, just click on this link BNB Mario, and after that here you need to click login. But to login you need to have MetaMask. If you don't know how to use MetaMask, I made easily guide for you. But there is nothing hard, you just need to download it for your Chrome. After that here you need to choose BNB chain and then just click buy, and here you can easily buy BNB using your card. After that you just click on Mario and invest money. Of course you can invest $100 or $500 as much as you want, but the best money you can earn starting from big Mario. His price is for BNB is $900. But as you can see I already invested in the next Mario, and after I will think about investing in the next Mario. His price is $5,000. But now I invested $3,500 and I plan earn on this game $10,000 or more dollars. So if you invest here $1,000 you can earn $2,000 or $3,000. And as I already show you, this is easy to do because the game is new and the balance history is all the time increasing. Also guys, the first video about this game I made 10 days ago. This is as you can see 27 October, and as you can see the balance history starting growing after this 27 October. So now is the best point to invest your money. Also I spent $3,500 to buy BNB, and from this point BNB was increased by 10%. So I already earned $350 because on this game you stake your money on BNB, and as you can see the BNB can grow to this point. So stake money on BNB is a good bonus for you. But we will see what happens in the future. I will lose all of my money or I will earn 2 or 3x more much money. So subscribe on my channel to not miss it, and also watch previous video about BNB Mario.